Well, it's time to talk business. I'll start by telling you that global stocks are still in high demand despite the war in the Middle East and mounting pressure on the global economy. Marlena Lee, Global Head of Investment Solutions at Dimensional Fund Advisors, tells us why.
We expect to add value in good times and in bad, in periods where you have geopolitical risk, where you have oil price shocks, and we have a track record to prove that this approach is one where, because it's broadly diversified and because it relies on really sensible ideas and really rigorous risk management, that through market turmoil, this is the type of strategy that can form a great core of a portfolio or the entire portfolio. And investors, their end constituents, don't have to worry.
Well, talking about portfolios back home now, the Nigerian stock market was on its A game. Even though the number of deals dropped a bit, the amount of money moving from market was very, very heavy, as the market is currently worth a whopping 155.2 trillion naira. And to put it in perspective, that's about 113 billion US dollars. Today alone, more than 1.2 billion shares exchanged hands by up to 31% from Monday. That's making comparisons to transactions yesterday. Now, cash flow stood at 75.1 billion naira. That is a massive 71% jump in turnover. And looking at the deals, there were about 102,427 traded deals, which is actually 16% lower than yesterday. It seems fewer people were actually trading, but those who did were moving very large bags of money. And out of the 133 companies that showed up, 46 saw their prices go up. For those who are investing in Suna Assurances, were the kings of the park today, with share price jumping by 18.11%, closing at 4 naira 50 kobo per share, followed by Champion Breweries, Livestock Feeds, and Vitaform. On the flip side, 28 companies lost value, with Guinness Nigeria taking the biggest hit. In all, the banking sector led the pack as more money is flowing in, even if the number of individual trades is slightly down. But if you are holding Suna or Vitaform, you are likely smiling at your portfolio at this moment. That is it on business.